She is so cute, you guys. She's so beautiful and full. Look at all this hair in the back. Look at all this hair in the bag. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Facmood for sponsoring this video today. They sent me over this number. She is so cute, you guys. She's so beautiful and full. Look at all this hair in the back. Look at all this hair in the bag. We full over here. But yes, if you want to see all the details on this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, please. And thank you. I'll leave that right there so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys. And let's get into this video. All right, y'all, we're working with Facmood. So inside you'll get these lashes. These look really good and nice and full. Baby hair brush, some HD wig caps, and then your wig will come in this plastic here. Here it says 26 inches, kinky curly. All right, and the wig looks like this, y'all. It is nice and dark. These curls are very soft. The wig is so thick. Here is what the edges look like. They are pre-plucked. The lace is pre-cut. The knots look bleached. This looks so good. So good. And it looks like a 5x5 closure. So this is transparent lace. It looks so good. So good. This is definitely giving undetectable lace for sure. Inside of the cap looks like this. Oh, it may be a 4x4. I don't know. Maybe it's a 5x4. I don't know. It looks a little smaller inside, but I'll have all the information in the description box, so make sure you guys look at that. So inside you have a adjustable elastic band that is also adjustable. And then the cap is just like fitted around the perimeter. So it's a little stretchy. So if your head needs a little bit more space, it'll stretch out for you. So this is a glueless unit. You can wear this glueless if you like. So this unit should be really easy. I'm gonna put this on real quick. It is super, super soft. These curls feel so good. Because this is a 4x4 closure or 5x5, this is gonna be so easy to put on. It's gonna be so easy and wearable. This is a wear and go type of wig, okay? And this wig doesn't have any combs inside, so I feel like it's gonna be really, really comfortable. You don't have to worry about those combs snagging on your hair at all, which I'm very excited about. So let's go ahead and get into this unit. So yes, let's go ahead and install this real quick. I feel like this is gonna fit really, really comfortable and secure on the head. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll be back at the end to give you my final thoughts. All right, you guys, so the hair is done. It is did. It's all dry. She looks good. So let me start out with the lace. The lace, mind you, we're giving glueless today. Absolutely giving glueless. So she's easy to wear, she's easy to put on, and she's easy to take off. Okay, so that is beautiful. The curls are super soft. This wig did come pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached. When I say ready to go, she was ready to go. She is so beautiful. All I did was put some foundation down the parting right here. Mind you, this part was already in here as well. So I just had to put the foundation in the parting. Then I went through and put some water and a little bit of conditioner in the hair, diffused it, and then just let it dry. And she looks so gorgeous. She is so full. Oh, one more thing. I did cut a couple of layers in right here just to frame my face on each side, just because I like that. I don't prefer the hair just to go straight down like that. I like to, you know, put some dimension and some volume in the hair. So I just cut a little bit of bangs right here. And that's it. Just a little, not even bangs, just like some layers. It was just some layers. But yeah, so she looks really good. Let me show you guys the back real quick. So yes, my final thoughts on this hair is yes, she's beautiful. You're definitely gonna love this wig if you like a full head of curls. Oh yeah, let me go over the details real quick. It is a 26-inch kinky curly 4x4 closure wig with a HD lace, pre-cut, pre-plucked, and dyed knots as well. Okay, so if you like a full head of hair, you're definitely going to love this one. It's super easy to put on, definitely beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about laying the lace at all. All I did was spray down some water on the lace and then put a little edge wrap on there, and that's it. And the edge wrap is just like to flatten it and just melt it into your skin just a little bit. And that's all really that you have to do. So she is perfect. You don't have to worry about laying no lace. And I know a lot of girls don't want wigs that require you to like melt the lace. And you don't have to worry about any of that or even have any of those products on hand, because all you need is water and an edge band or a silk wrap or anything to just like tie it down for a few minutes so it can just lay flat. So yeah, she is beautiful though. She's so full, you guys. Like, look how full this wig is. She is so gorgeous. And I love this like style of curl. She's so beautiful. It's like a really like kinky, curly, natural texture, and I love that. Make sure you guys check out their website and see all the other wigs that they have. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.